Hello guys, welcome to Tech Vitals. Today we are going to look at touch command. The touch command is used to create files. So let's start. Right now we are in the vitals directory. Now to create a file inside this directory, we can use touch and then the file name, for example file1. Now let's see if we successfully created the file1 or not. Yep, we have file1, and you can also give the files the extensions. For example, let's create one more file, file2.txt. So that will create the text file, and you can also create multiple files at once. You just have to type touch, then file3, file4.txt, file5.doc, file6.exe, and enter. And you can see we created these 4 files with just one step. And we can also create files in some other directories from these vitals. For example, if you want to create files inside the desktop directory, we can just create the files from vitals. We just have to give the full path. So you can just type touch, then /root /desktop / the name of the file. For example, if you want to create a file named Tech Vitals, we can just hit enter. Now if we go to the desktop directory, there should be the file named Tech Vitals. Let's go to the desktop directory. Okay, now let's see the list. Yep, we got Tech Vitals. So that's the use of touch to create files, and that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.